So ito guys yung kurtal natin. I-mix natin nga nababad pa natin sa tubig para madali natin i-mix. Yan. Babad muna guys. Para madaling i-mix.
Later.
Isang sako to guys, the cement. May awas eh. Welcome guys sa ating vlog for today. So ngayon guys, kaya po dito yan nagliliying ng CHB. CHB guys, it's meaning concrete hollow blocks. Yan mga guys. Yung sa likod guys, yan yung ginagawa ko guys. Nagliliying. So guys, pakita ko sa inyo dito kung paano magliying ng CHB or concrete hollow blocks. So dito guys, yung una kong ginagawa, yan. May tatlong laying siya. Yung unang laying nakalubog yung kalahating hollow blocks. Yung una yan, yung buhos. Yung buhos yung kurtal mix na sand and gravel. Yan guys. Yan dito ko sa guys, sa paggawa ko. Nilagyan ko ng string. Nag-layout ako dito. Bawat kantuhan. Naka-eskwala yan guys. Bawat kantuhan. Naka-eskwala. Yan. Tatlong layer guys. Yung ginagawa ko. Sa gilid ng puno ng niyog. Tapos yung dito. Plaster natin to. Gagawa tayo ng design dito. Yan. Guys, dito naman sa bandang gitna. Yan. Yung tatlong laying de. Tatlong layer de. Yan. Yan dito ang pangatlo guys. Yan. Yan dito naman sa gilid guys, lang. Dalawang layer na to guys sa sa gilid. Yan ito guys, yung ginagawa ko kahapon. Yan. Yan ito yung guys yung string. Nakalibel yan guys. Papunta doon yung string. Yun ang guide ko. Para yung yung file ko para matuwid. Kailangan may guide ka. Yan. Yan mga guys yung yung pangunang ginagawa ko yung buhos. Yung kurtal mix sand and gravel, yun ang buhos. Yan.
Kuha na ako daan kay Gamato, yung daan kay itong mabiling dali.
Yan guys, yung nilaying natin. Yan. At saka ito guys, sa level, tong level bar yung ginagamit natin. Rechi ko dito sa ano, level bar. Tapos dito sa ano, sa string. Yung pagitan ng string guys, yan. Pantay yung pagitan ng string. Tapos dito sa ano, may level bar. Yan. Yun sa mga baguhan, dapat yung string nyo nakaganito, nakapantay, naka ano sa akin. Kasi ano, sa ako kasi ano, tansya ko na ko yung ano, yung level niya. Hindi ko na kailangan ibaba yung ano, yung string. Kasi tansya ko na yung ano, yung distance. So ito yung guys, yung ano, yung level bar. Dapat sa pagliliying, dapat i-check mo sa ano, sa level bar. Naka-level ba siya? Yan guys. Yan, naka-level yan guys, oh. Yan. Papunta sagad tayo doon sa ano, sa wall ng ano, ng kusina. Yan. Patuloy tayo guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
maraming salamat sa nanonood. God bless you all. Bye-bye.